Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn-out blades. This can happen over time with regular use, and if left unchecked, it can lead to further damage to the motor or other components. Addressing this issue promptly will save you from more expensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement blade set, a pair of pliers, and a cloth to keep your workspace clean. To begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and placed on a stable surface. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the base cover, which is typically held in place by a few screws. Make sure to keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the base is off, locate the blade assembly. You'll notice it may be secured with additional screws or clips. Gently remove these using your screwdriver or pliers, being cautious not to apply excessive force as this could damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the blades, take a moment to inspect the assembly for any signs of damage. Now, it's time to install the new blades. Align them correctly within the assembly, ensuring they sit securely. Replace the screws or clips you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold the assembly in place, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Once everything is secure, carefully reattach the base cover, again securing it with the screws you set aside. Finally, plug the device back in and test it to ensure the grinding noise has disappeared and that everything is functioning smoothly. If you still hear any unusual sounds, you might want to revisit the assembly to check for loose components. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly clean your Thermomix and avoid overloading it with ingredients. This will help maintain the blades and prolong their lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.